Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we will learn about structure of a C program. A C program structure has the following section: documentation section, link section, definition section, global declaration section, main function section that consists of two parts, declaration part and executive part, and then subprogram section that will include different user defined functions. We will cover each section one by one. First is our documentation section. Documentation section includes the comment lines. Comment can be single line or multiple line. Comment tells user about the program. That comment may include name of programmer, name of program, date, time, purpose of program and other related information to the program or programmer that help an unknowing user to know about this program. Comments are ignored by the C compiler. Next section is our link section. It includes the header files of the functions that are used in the program. Preprocessor directive tells the compiler to include the functions or to link the functions from the system library. This section consists of the statement like hash include stdio.h. Here stdio.h is the standard input output header file. Next section is our definition section. Definition section consists of the symbolic constants and macros, or whichever symbolic constant we are using in program that are defined in these sections, and various macros like hash define, hash if, hash are under this definition section. Next section is our global declaration section. All the global variables or user defined functions are declared in this section. This section comes before our main function section. All the variables declared in this section are our global variables. Then comes our main function section. In every C program there must be a main function. Main function is the starting point of any C program execution. It has two parts, declaration part and executable part. Declaration part include all the local variable and function declarations. Executable part consists of the executable statements. In C, main function, all the statements are terminated with a semicolon. By default, main function has a return type of int. If we want the main function does not return any value, we can define its return type as void. Next, last section is our subprogram section that contains all the user defined functions. Let us learn the C program structure using an example. Here is an example to calculate the area of circle. First, starting with the documentation section, all the lines between slash star and star slash are the comment lines. Here it is multi-line comment that include the line writer program to calculate area of circle, and file name circle.c. In C program, every file has an extension .c. Now this first two lines are our documentation section, then hash include stdio.h. This is our link section that tells compiler to include the functions from system library. Then hash define pi 3.1416. This statement is our definition section that is defining our symbolic constant pi and its value is 3.1416. Then our float area, float r, then semicolon. This statement is our global declaration section. This is declaring, here we are declaring a global user defined function area that takes a single argument of type float and returning a float type value. Then our main function section, that is int main curly brace start, that represent the starting of the main function, and all the statement between curly brace start and curly brace close are the part of main function. First statement, float r equal to 10. Here we are declaring a local variable of type float and initializing it with the value 10. The next printf statement, first the message is displaying way as area of circle is. Then format specifier for the output value %.2f. 0.2 represent the precision that after the decimal two values will be displayed. And here we are calling the function area r. Value r, that is local variable r value that is declared here as 10, will be passed in this user defined function area r. Return 0 on completing this statement. This returns 0. And then we have the subprogram subfunction area, that is float area float r, that contain only one statement, that is return statement, and we are computing and returning with the single statement using return pi star r. As we know, the formula for calculating the area of circle is pi r square, and in C language we are using pi symbolic constant here, star r, then semicolon, and our function will compute the value and will return the value to our main function where it is called, and with the printf statement it will be displayed to our screen.